Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm back with another haul, and I decided to do a haul that's a little bit more work friendly. So I tried to pick a couple of outfits that I would wear to work because I would work somewhere where you can be fashionably casual, if that's a trend, if that's a style. So I picked a few items from Express, and yeah, we're just gonna jump right into the haul because I have like kind of dressy but not really dressy, and then casual, and then some workplaces let you wear jeans on like Fridays or whenever you'll have like a jean day. I picked like a super casual outfit for that. So yeah, the first thing that I have, I'm gonna show the items combined because that's how I picked them out. So here's the first outfit. So the first outfit, we have this citrine yellow colored sweater. It's long sleeve. I got this sweater in a size extra small. It fits really nicely. It's a really soft material, and yeah, I picked it to go with these houndstooth. This is like a mix of print, but it's houndstooth. It has like some squares and mini houndstooth, and yeah, I just thought these pants were really cute because they're not like real pants, they're leggings, and they're nice soft stretchy material as well. Like, these are casual, but because of the print they look dressy and work appropriate. So these are high-waisted leggings in a petite extra small. They do have these in like regular, not petite, but yeah. So I got these pants to go along with this top. And of course, you can throw this on with a pair of heels to spice it up, or you can wear like flats, loafers, whatever your preference. The next outfit is my fave. It's totally my jazz. This is me. This is what I would wear to work every day if I could. So I have this black turtleneck top. This material is super soft. I really wish you guys can feel it. It's stretchy, it's soft, it's super black. As you can see, it's super black. I got this turtleneck in an extra small as well. It's long sleeve and it just fits so good. So I have this with the skirt. This skirt, it's so cute. So it's a high waist houndstooth mini skirt, but depending on how you wear it, you can pull it down a little bit so it's not really short, because I know like in school some places might have like the you don't want your skirt to be shorter than your hands down to your side, but depending on how you wear this, you can totally get away with it. So I just thought this skirt was so cute. I got it in an extra small, and it fits like a glove. I know that if you like, ways to make these skirts not look so inappropriate is wearing like tights underneath it. I don't know if that's still a thing, but you can get some cute tights, wear it under your skirt, especially in the colder months, because I picked these items kind of geared toward fall because fall is slowly approaching here. But this is fall workwear. So next I have another little set that I picked out. So I have this red V-neck sweater. It's like a really soft sweatshirt. Everything I have is really soft. So it's a red sweatshirt. I got it in a V-cut just to kind of spice it up. I feel like crew necks are really casual, and a V-neck kind of edges something up. So I got this sweatshirt just so the outfit wouldn't be too dressy, because I have these dress pants, and they're like a burgundy wine color, and they have this red stripe that goes all the way down the side. So I thought pairing it with a sweatshirt would be really cute, an easy look to take from work and then just go right out, because you're not too dressy and you don't really look like you came from work. You look like you put a little effort in your outfit. So yeah, I have these wide leg super high rise pants. They're really long. I kind of wish these would have came in like petites, because they're so long, like they drag the floor on me. They fit really well. These are extra small, so these are a really nice fit. They definitely look good on. And then the last outfit, I got like a jeans and a cardigan, because you might have a casual day at work. So I'm gonna start off with the jeans. I didn't get jeans that are like super tight this time, which I normally, I like. So these are the vintage skinny high-rise jeans, and they're in a size 00. These are kind of like boyfriend jeans. Like, they're not tight, they're kind of loose. So they do have a bunch of distressing on them. I know I like distressing on my jeans. So if, distressed jeans isn't your look, you can always pair them with, regular jeans that don't have holes or, frayed everything on them. So here's what the jeans look like. I got them in a 00. They are loose, but they kind of fit, but they're loose. If you know what I'm talking about. So yeah, I got those jeans, and you can pair the jeans with like a white top, a white turtleneck, and this cardigan, which is like a oatmeal color. Yeah, it's like an oatmeal sand color. It's long, covers your butt. You can pair this with any type of undershirt that you would like. I'd probably pair it with like a tank top or a white turtleneck, something like that. So this cardigan with the jeans and a shirt underneath. I had a shirt picked out, but the shirt I picked out is so small, it doesn't fit over my head. And now that I have these braids, it really doesn't fit over my head. So I'm just going to pair it with a tank top that I already have, so you guys can see, the look that I was going for. So yeah, these are all the items. Really quick this time. I was just kind of like, I picked specific outfits. Like, of course you can intermix items and all that jazz, but I want to show you guys the exact way that I want these pieces styled. So I'll show you that. But yeah, this concludes this haul. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I will have all the links for Express for the items that I have listed in the description box for you guys to check out. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.